I think that Huppy is such an amazing brand because I've tried other toothpaste tabs before and they just taste really chalky and the consistency kind of breaks down and it feels very dry and uncomfortable in your mouth. It just doesn't create that paste that Huppy actually does. And I love the fact that these little pouches are compostable, so after you finish ripping it up right over here, you can just empty it into your little cute little container that it comes with. Now there's two colors that it comes with. It comes with like mint blue or this beautiful coral color, which I chose because my husband already has the mint blue color. And I just love the fact that little toothpaste tabs just fit in there really nicely. Ooh, I think one fell out. They're this size, they're very small, it's really the size of a mint. Put them in your mouth, you just munch a little bit and they're very easy to chew. They're not hard or anything like that. And right away it starts creating a paste in your mouth. So I think they're so perfect for that. This is also really travel friendly. If you bring this with you in your suitcase, I mean, you don't have to bring a huge tube of toothpaste. You can just bring these. They are perfect because they just are TSA friendly and you can travel with them and you can even lend some to people if they need toothpaste, and it's just one of those things that is just so easy to bring. And I love this little pouch, it's so cute. This entire pouch fits into this tube. This is 62 tabs for the month, so that's perfect. And I just love how affordable it is, but not only that, how good it is for our environment. I love Huppy and I really highly recommend it as well.
Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pear Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!